Hello YouTube, Bellers91 here, and this is episode number 3 of our Let's Play Crown Tundra. And as you can see, in the last episode, if you haven't watched it, go and watch it. Highly recommendable. It's a good one. Good one last week. Yesterday. So, have a look, as you could tell, we caught Kelly Rex. So, our goal today is to go and see Fiona, tell him about Kelly Rex. That's part one of our thing done. And then it's either the Glaring Birds, I think. We're going to start that one. So, without further ado, let's fly on back to the city, to Freethington. And let's talk to Fiona. There it is. Oi, oi, Chief. How's it going, adventure? Anything to report? Yeah, that one. Calyrex. Wait, you've really caught Calyrex from the legends? That's ultra mega brilliant. Report anyway. That's Noggin's massive. Aye. That the king of Bountiful Harvest? The one calling the shots round here? Huh. I could swear I've seen it before. Or then again, maybe not. Anyway, it's definitely regal of it to add a steed. And that's a massive head. It does sort of resemble a crown. It's kingly enough at any rate. Let's just call it this a successful expedition. Looks like you've reported all there is to report a legendary Clue 1 and the king of the Bountiful Harvest. Smash it and mark this expedition done. There you go. Ba-da-ling. Got anything else legendary you want to talk about? No. Right, so, I reckon we ought to do an order. So, we're going for legendary number 2. So we've done this one, King of Harvest. We're doing the Legend of Giants. Or should we just do the birds? We'll do Clue. Right. So this is what it looks like. Right, we got to try and work this out. So, first of all, let's try and, or should we just go for the first ones, find some footprints, and we'll do that. We'll find footprints. So, this is going to be a bit of a, where do we go, sort of thing. Going to be looking around a lot, trying to find footprints and stuff. So this episode might be a bit stop-starty while we're trying to find footprints and stuff. So yeah. Oh, found some. Instead of percentage, I didn't see the percentage. I know on one of them I've got like 90% of it. But I would have said this one just stays in the snow, but this ain't just me, is it? You can't see any others. What the hell is that? Alright, this way. I just seen gold and I was like, what's gold? There's nothing else around there. Like, where did they... Oh, I tell you what. Wonder if they're up. Got to mention that bit above. I think so. It's all around here, and there's a couple around here. So I reckon they're going to be in the city as well, maybe. So have a look up here then. Slippery slope. It's like where you, when you first come into Crown Tundra, come up here because that's where all the legendaries are at the end of there. That's your max raid dens, which I'll be doing, which I'm doing live shiny hunting in there. So yeah, that's Saturdays. Come and join me. I'm on Twitch, so I'll add it to I'll add my Twitch to the description in this video. And yeah, come and join me. Come and say hello. And yeah, we'll try and catch some shiny legends. Right then. Without further ado, right, where should we go? Well, that raid looks pretty good, but I'm not going to do it. Because we're not doing lives. It's not part of the story. I will get the 2000 Votso. Don't want to fight. Can't be bothered. Look at that, Dracluke. Oh, Trevenant. Shiny Trevenant. Best shiny ever. Right. Anyway, let's go down here. Let's go and have a look why it is. Anyway. So, it is Hatarin. Don't want it. Got one. Even though it could be. Right. Should we go across? It's the one place I haven't been. I think this is the way towards that big tree. So we can go, have a little look-see, see if we can see the legendary birds for the first time, because I haven't seen them. I'm going to pick up this. Life orb. Lovely. Magikarps made me laugh in the water. First time I see one the other day, it just jump. Flying up in the air. Right. Okay. Ballymere Lake. What if we get to actually... Oh, there's Corviknight. If we actually get... Oh, Troran. Oh, never Corviknight. There's a big cave. That's where the legend birds are going to be. Old Dino. Pretty cool. Tyrant. Tyrants are cool. I don't know anybody who don't like Tyrant. Right, what's through here then? This is Lakeside Cave. Oh, Aerons. Oh, that's some miles in a cave like this. This is where I found these cavern Pokemon. Right. So I think that thing I seen, yeah, these are footprints. Right. We gotta find these. 6%. They're all gonna be in here, I should imagine. There's Colossal, Lairon, Ferroseed. Yeah. Get that Pokeball a minute. Shiny Stone. Alright, there's another one. Go through each little bit so we don't miss anything. Oh, there's an Aggron. That's quite nice to see. Thank you. And that one. And that one. There's more here. 20%. 22. Dust Bowl. Lovely. There's a Colossal. Oh, look at that. Star Piece. Bit of money. Nice. 24. 26. 28. An Everstone. Sugar. Which way did I come? Oh, not this way. 32. Star Piece. Lovely. I got loads of money. Some real. Right. 34. 36. 38. This is the way I come in, I'm pretty sure. Maybe not. Maybe it is. Right. No, I come through that way. So. Gotta be more. Oh, there's one here. 40. A rare bone. Oh, I didn't even see that Zubat. Just popped out of nowhere. So nice having a Calyrex. I'm not too sure on it. I'm not gonna lie. I like the Steed. I don't know about Calyrex. Bag of Stardust. There's got to be. I think there should be an... Oh, I just seen it. Right. Ah, it's out here. No, that's rock. Okay. Okay. So there's no more around here. Right. I think that's where they're gonna be. I got. Whoa! I'm not gonna lie. That scared me. Right. Oh, what do you know? Indeedy. Nice big one, indeedy. Oh! I found some. 44. 46. 48. A rare candy. Seriously, it just goes like around the map sort of thing. Like, what else we got around here? Whimsicott. Oh, literally just going around, see if I can see any other. Oh, I found one. 50%. Yeah? Okay. Thank you. I'm not reading it. Right. Shuckle. I would say there's gonna be some right there. Yep. It seems like he likes to mess about. Right, oh, another bit. Another bit there. Another bit there. 58%. Doing quite well there. Or is it a Rantor? Some more there. 60%. Look at the sea there. That's beautiful. Oh. Apart from that little bit there. Apart from that, that's beautiful. Oh. 64%. Might have been more than that here. I'm not gonna lie. Quite disappointing. Right. Oh, that's a Pokeball. All I could see then was a massive head. Oh. No. Oh. 66. 68. Corviknight. Oh, Pokeball. Stone. Pick up. 70. 72. 74. Off Bolton. Oh, 76. 78. Oh, 80. Just going in one big loop, so that's where I want to go. Dang. Go across. Oh, 82%. Come on. Yeah. 84%. Keep your eyes peeled. Right, we'll go across this way. Yeah. 86%. There's loads. 88. Come on. Oh, hello. Here we go. What's this? Pecha berries. Oh. Oh, look at her. fortress. Looks nice. Like that. Oh, don't like me. Galarian Zapdos. Oh, they're all fighting each other. Oh, Galarian Articuno. Right, they've all gone away now. I suppose now's why you gotta track them down. Find out where they were. Oi oi, it's me Fiona. Listen, I want to ask you something. Hang on, Chief. There's breaking news on the telly. They're saying dodgy bird Pokemon are popping up left and right. There's this pointy feathered one in the wild area, plus a fierce looking one is out on the Isle of Armor, and this fancy one is apparently flying around about in the Crown Tundra. Wouldn't it be something if they turned out to be the bird Pokemon I read about? That clue about? If that were the case, I think they'll call this expedition something like a legendary tree of legendary 3. Now I've gone an ultra mega, completely forgot what I called you for in the first place. Well, life's too short to wet and small stuff. Tash, Chief. Okay. Looks like we gotta go to all the islands. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I quite like that idea. They've ran off to all the different islands. So I like how you got this tree. It's meant to be sacred and that. You've got Greedents around it. Greedents. Nothing but Greedents. Lovely. Right. Okay. So, looks like we are. What are we doing next? Oh, find some more footprints. 90%. Right. Oh, find some more. There's some more down here. And there. No, that's rocks. Some more there. And there. Two more? No, one more I need to find. One more footprint. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever trying to find one footprint. One footprint is gonna take. Ah, no, it's not, because it's right there. Go to Freezington to let Professor, whatever her name is. Right. Okay. Well, we might be able to catch one, so let's go and talk to her. She's in this building. Sonia, come over to help with the birds, basically. About the evidence. %, 100%. There should be enough data for us to pin down where it usually lives. So if I feed all this data into my trusty Pokemon finder, it's searching for energy signatures, and it's found a matching Pokemon. The cavern Pokemon can be found in Lakeside Cave. You've finally come face to face with the legendary Pokemon we've been searching for. Best of luck, Bellers. Oh, that is in Isle of Armor? forgot. No. Yeah, I think it's Isle of Armor. Right. Anyway, we'll leave that for the next episode. So, again, smash that like button. We're on episode number 3 now. Whoa! Episode number 4 is probably going to be catching one of the birds and getting a... maybe catching the second one. Getting the third one up together. So yeah. Right. So if you like it, smash that like up button. If you haven't done so already, come subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends to subscribe as well. Oh, sorry about that. That was me whacking my arm. Yeah, come and tell your friends. Hit the little notification bell so you get to watch my videos as soon as they come out. Yeah. Thanks, YouTube. Sweet dreams.